Hey there, folks. I'm Joe Crawford of art1.com. Pretty much every day I go to CSSBattle.dev, do the daily target, and record it. Let's do that now. Cool. Circles. Circles. How shall we make this? I think it's two radial gradients, and that's it. So let's see what those are and see if that will work. So at the end of this, I'll have two things that say radial gradient. So I'm going to do the bottom one first, which is this black color. So I need the keyword to force it to be a circle. I need the keyword circle or 1Q, some measure. It's black in the middle, and in this case, it's truly black. So all zeros. So I only need hash three zeros, and then I need this red. Whatever that color is. And then I need a extent. How about 40 pixels? We'll just do it all in pixels. I know we could use Q. We could use, if we use the keyword circle, we can use the percentage. That won't work for 1Q because that has a different kind of effect. So that's the first radial gradient. The second radial gradient is has a background position and also has an at value. So the position, we'll do the position first. This is the wrong order, but I don't care. We do it how we do it. Um, it'll be the X position doesn't matter. The Y position will be probably 150 pixels down. Okay. And then the size, the default size of all these backgrounds is the containing element. In this case, it's going to be 400 by 300. So let's do 1Q at 50% 0, and then it's transparent. Let's say 30 pixels. That's a guess. And then white, maybe 50 pixels. And then transparent, 0, 70 pixels. And then white again, 0. And then transparent. And there they are. Now, these color stops are a little wrong, or a lot wrong, depending how you look at it. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. And what you're seeing is the diff view. So that what that diff is, when I match the pixels in the target image, I get pure black. I put a red pixel down on red pixel, it'll turn black because it's using difference, mixed blend mode difference, or background color mode, background background mix mode. Mixed blend mode I know is right. I forget I think background mix blend is probably right. And that's it. So I think those are all the pieces. Let's submit and make sure we're at 100%. Again, I use Safari. The backend of CSS Battle uses Chromium or Chrome. And so we'll see. If we get 100% back, then we know that we have matched those pixels to the extent required by the backend. Circles are always a little fuzzy, and as are things at angles. And then sometimes you can have half pixels. I'm getting into details that you don't care about. Minify, unit replace. Those are the two backgrounds, two radial gradients I spoke of. I don't know if this is meant to represent something in particular. I don't recognize this as a logo. It's more just a graphical shape. And we got over 700. So that's not a bad score. 144 characters. I'm not a maximal player, right? I don't get the absolute best. Probably the top solution for this will be half as many characters as I have, or something on the order of 80 or 90 pixels. So It's very impressive when you think about that. The best players are really good. I'm a top 100 player. It's fine. But it's fun to write CSS. It's fun to make a web page. I enjoy this every day. Hope you're doing well out there. Continues to be quite a world. Take care of yourself. Take care of each other. Go make a web page. Go make that web page. And I'll see you.